Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to my September Ipsy unzipping, unbagging. So this month's bag is right here with some stuff in the little thing. So I guess this month's theme was Find Your Light according to this. And these are all my products on here, which I'll talk about one by one. First item in here is this Murad Hydrodynamic Moisturizer. I have tried this brand before and I like their cleanser that I got. This one, I did use this moisturizer a few times already because I got this bag a few days ago. I just didn't have time to record with it. So yeah, this one, it says it has shea butter, sunflower seed oil, coconut fruit extract, avocado oil. So it's pretty nice and it's tiny. I'll show you right now. The box is like kind of big, but the moisturizer, I think, is in here. Oh yes, it is. So it is right here, and yeah, it's pretty nice and it doesn't smell like anything, I think. Actually, it's like filled up, so I've been using it, and yes, I'm gonna continue to use this. Next item I have is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and I've been wanting to try this for a while. And it won. This one is, so what you do is you put it on at night and then you like let it absorb into your skin. You go to sleep. When you wake up, you rinse it off. I have a few like that, and this one I've been wanting to try, so I was super excited. And it works nice, and it has like a bunch of ingredients saying, and it's from a Korean beauty brand, and it's gel like mask, can be used in the AM, and if you want to use it in the morning, then you put it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off, unlike like the overnight thing. And it's great because obviously it's like watermelon-y. Yeah, it smells like fresh watermelon. Now I'm hungry. I have been hungry today. So here it is. It's cute in pink. Next, oh, actually I didn't show the bag yet. This bag is so pretty. I like this little jewel on here. Also, this side is just blank, but this color and everything is nice, and the inside isn't pink for once. It's like this dark blue color. So I'm excited for that. So this item here is from Too Faced. I don't use anything from Too Faced. Like, I have tried like their Better Than Sex mascara, but I have this other mascara called Damn Girl 24-hour mascara, but it says it's an infinity brush, so I'm actually now excited to try this. I haven't heard anything about this mascara. I don't even know if it's like a new one or like a super old one, but here's what it's look like. I like the packaging. It's Too Faced on one, and then it says Damn Girl on the other. And then in here about the mascara, it says, wiggle this mascara wand from the base of your lashes to the tips, add extra coats to pile the volume and intensity. And it says that it's cruelty free, and it's a revolutionary cream mousse mascara made with whipped melting waxes that hug your lashes. And it sounds really interesting, and it says it's non-flaking, unsmudge proof, so we're gonna have to test that out. Let me show you guys the wand. Oh, they weren't lying about it. It is like infinity. Oh, I don't know, I like smelling mascara, so I'm excited to try this out. Oh, and then I could tell you what the new stuff is coming up for October, like new plan that they have. Here is my fourth item, I believe. It's a brush from Farrah brushes, and I thought it was gonna be black, but it's like a dark blue color, and it says it's a Contour 218M brush. I like the way it feels. It's like soft matte. You could just hold it and, you know, use it for contour or anything else you'd like. And the brush is pretty soft too. Let's see what it says. It says you could use it with powder or cream products, and the brush is luxurious, high quality, vegan, cruelty free. And it says with this midnight blue bristles, this soft contour brush blends your powders, creams, and highlighters evenly and easily, and looks fab in your brush jar too. Yeah, it's super pretty. A last item in here, but before that I'm going to talk about my bonus item here. It's super tiny, and I added this on for $3 because why not? And it's the Benefit Gimme Brow, and in the color Neutral Deep Brown. It's the brow gel. I haven't tried it yet. It's super tiny though, like And I am going on a trip, I mentioned this like every video now, to Canada in January, so I am buying items that, so yeah, this is, let me swatch it a little. Buying items that'll be essential to my travel needs. So yeah, this color, I always swatch at like the weirdest places. It's right here. There, yeah. And you could build it up to make it a little darker. That's what I'll do. I just don't want to waste any because there's nothing to begin with in here. Always mention you could either add on, or you could add on an item for $3, or with your points you could see what they have in the little store and add that on. And yes, let me go find that last item, which is a lip gloss. Okay, so this is my Ofra gloss, and it's pretty, well, big because it's full size. It's the Madison Miller X Ofra lip gloss, and this color is Smiley for Riley. Let me swatch it. At first, like when I looked at it, I was like, this is gonna be too light, but it looks like it's just like glitter to it, not like actually the color. So because I wouldn't like the way it looks. So here's that gloss. It's pretty glossy and glittery. Oh, and it smells so good, like, I don't know, like that candy-ish, vanilla-ish smell. And this is like a pretty different packaging. I think it's like just for that collab, so I'm not sure because I haven't ever seen this collab before. It just says collab between Beauty Guru, Ofra Gaito, and 5-star blogger Madison Miller. High pigmented glosses, blushes. Okay, so they have shadows and glosses in that collab. If you guys know about it, let me know how you like that. It's a frosty gloss and hint of shimmer and a little bit sticky. That's okay. So yeah, these are really good items. And next month for October, they're doing something new. The price of the glam bag is going up. It is $12 now, I think. And obviously I'm gonna keep it because I love Ipsy, but a lot of people I saw were like, oh no, we're gonna cancel and whatever. But BoxyCharm is also raising its prices, I've heard. So yeah, it's like a plus they said that they're bringing better things, and then the overall value is gonna be over like $50, which is good for $12. For $10, like I still got good products, so I know it's not gonna be bad. And it said choose a product every month. So every month out of 5 you get to choose a product, no matter if you have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, Deluxe, or Ipsy Glam Bag Regular, which is what I have. It says beginning on September 24th, you'll be able to choose one of your 5 Glam Bag products. Then we'll build the rest of your bag to complement your choice. Save the date. I didn't know the exact date, so I'm glad they have it. So, and it says pick up to 5 add-on items. So, and it says you'll have more samples and full-size products from 100+ brands at unbeatable prices. So I don't think it's gonna be like this $3 anymore. Hopefully it is, because $3 is like pretty good for like an extra item. And then it says, yeah, 50+ of your value in every glam bag. They're investing more than ever, delivering exciting new brands to create the most delightful glam bag experience. And yeah, I'm excited about what they're gonna do. I'll do like a review on, obviously, for October, and let you guys know how everything's going and if like it's worth it to you guys, because I know that extra $2 like will be a lot at the end of the year adding up. But if you have the yearly one, you could actually pay like right away and pay only like $120 instead of like $132. I think it's gonna be at the end of the year. I mean, overall, if you want to pay like right away, it's still like 100 something. So if you don't mind paying that right away, go ahead. But if you want like Ipsy for a whole year, and I'll just probably do like 12 a month instead, because that's easier. I just don't want the 100 like right away. I'll just have like, you know, little amounts. And yeah, I don't know if the price of like the other thing is changing, where you can like pause and unpause your Ipsy. You get it every 2 months instead of every month. So I'm not sure about that price, but it says if you want more information, you could go into your account or at ipsy.com. So make sure you check that out. What else? Yeah, this month's bag is really good. I always love getting skincare. Mascara I always use, brushes I always use, and glosses. I put on at least gloss once a day. So yeah, they've been sending me really good items. If you haven't seen like my other Ipsys, I'll leave them linked down below if you want to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys for my October Ipsy or anything else that arrives. Maybe I might do like a shoe review. Maybe. See you guys soon. Bye.